and he was just lying in his blood. Called my mum, and I said, "Mum, Dwayne's been stabbed."
A teenager has been charged with the murder of Dejan Campbell in southeast London.
Gather my saints together unto me, those that have made a covenant with me by sacrifice.
We're losing our children, we're losing our family members, teachers. Enough is enough. You got to stop it.
So we're out here teaching the commandments of God, which the churches are not doing. Had the churches taught the people to keep God's commandments, there wouldn't be so many knife crimes here in Croydon.
Yes, brother and sisterly love. That's what it's all about.
So it's really beautiful to see black men coming together, you know, to fight like a serious problem in the community. So this is really nice to see.